Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the menu anchor widget in Elementor. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to create smooth scrolling navigation on your WordPress pages, making it easier for visitors to jump to specific sections of your content with just a click. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to Pages and then select All Pages from the drop-down menu. Here you'll see a list of all your existing pages. Look for the specific page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Page Builder interface where you can make all your customizations. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, direct your attention to the widget panel on the left side of your screen. In the search bar at the top of this panel, type in Menu Anchor. This will filter the widgets and bring up the Menu Anchor widget for you to use. Click on it to add it to your page, then drag and drop it to the exact section where you want visitors to land when they click your navigation link. With the Menu Anchor widget now placed on your page, click on it to open its settings. You'll see the Content tab is already selected by default. Here, you need to enter a unique ID in the Anchor field. This could be something descriptive like about services or contact, depending on what section you're marking. This ID is crucial because it's what you'll reference in your menu links to create that smooth scrolling effect. Next, click on the Advanced tab at the top of the Settings panel. Scroll down until you find Motion Effects and click on it to expand the options. From the sub-menu that appears, you can customize the entrance animation, which controls how this section appears when a visitor scrolls to it. This adds a nice visual touch to your page and makes the experience more dynamic. Still within the Motion Effects section, you can also select the animation duration from the sub-menu. This lets you control how quickly or slowly the animation plays out. Additionally, you have the option to adjust the animation delay, which determines how long the system waits before triggering the animation once the section comes into view. If you want to take things further by enabling scrolling effects and mouse effects, keep in mind that you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. These advanced features ensure even smoother scrolling and add interactive elements that respond to user behavior, creating a more polished and professional experience for your visitors. Once you're satisfied with all your settings, don't forget to click Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This ensures all your changes are stored safely before you decide to make the page live. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a menu anchor widget in Elementor, complete with custom animations and smooth scrolling capabilities. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.